What are you doing?
I'm a girl. Chocolate.
What are you doing, honey?
Mama, there's a little bird.
Where's the little bird?
It's here.
Who's the little bird? What's the little bird's name?
Vivian.
Oh, Vivian. What's the little bird doing now? Sleeping? In what?
Nest.
In a nest. Good night, little bird. We have to fly off soon, don't we? Where are we flying to today? Where are we going to fly to today?
Teacher Karen.
Yep. We need to fly there really soon, honey. Can you show me how you fly? You are a little bird, aren't you?